Alright guys, so today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to reset the oil light here on any Honda S2000 vehicle, and it's very simple guys, and here are the steps. As I forgot to reset my oil light on my last oil change, it stayed on fully on this time. I never had a chance to turn it on. You're gonna see it blinks and it stays on, and if I turn on the car, it's still gonna do the same thing. So it's gonna stay on. As you see, it stays on right there, and then it stay on. So the way to reset it is turn off the car completely, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead, hold the trip button right here. I'm gonna hold it right here, and then turn on the car. Not turn all the way, but just turn on till the light comes on, and then start blinking. Just wait until it turns off, and once it turns off, you can let go of the button. See now, see how the minutes required light came off? Now that that's off, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car. You can see that it stayed off, and no more light guys. Very, very, very simple to do, very easy. Hope this was helpful. You can do this on S2000.